here's how we can post iPhone loop photo on the Instagram. So let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So it might depend on what you mean specifically. First of all, you can get inside the Instagram app as usual, right? And you will have the ability to go to the story creation or post, right? And in there, you're going to select stuff from your gallery, right? So you can open up the full albums. And if you have any of the live photos stored in here, you have the ability to import those into the Instagram story, for example. So if you have a live photo in the gallery where there is a little bit of movement, you can decide to filter it when you go to the story creation page on Instagram. And this, when you select it, you'll see the little bit of movement right there because it's going to be looped like this. And you can see that this is how it's supposed to look in here. So that's the option which you have, right? So outside of that, inside of your gallery, you can see that we as well can find the live photos, but you can also tap on the three dots and click on a save as video. And when you save the live photo as video, it's going to convert it to a different format. And this can also be uploaded to your Instagram story or post, but as a regular video. So that's how you can turn the loop photo or live photo into a video, which has no problem to be uploaded to the Instagram. So that's another option you have. But if you generally mean the loop/boomerang effect, you can go to the new story, tap on the camera, so you can open up the camera, and from the options you can as well click on the boomerang, and you probably know how it works. You just record some stuff which gets looped and repeated over and over on the story, but that's captured directly through the camera of the Instagram app. So that's a bit of a different thing. So it kind of depends on what you're going after. I really hope that I was able to help you out with it. In case of any further questions, leave them below in the comments. But yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.